Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks and MacroMonster.com eCut 6 version puzzle part 2. I just made a puzzle font real quickly with PowerClip, but that's not what the video is about. I have seen a lot of puzzle generators. I've made a lot of puzzles, and this one by far is the easiest, and you have the most control. You can make straight lines, you can make wavy lines, so your puzzle parts would look totally different and to me look more like a real puzzle. So to do that, you just go to the effects, just like we did in the last video, create a puzzle, and you can change the wave of the lines. Let's just make a straight one real quick. And there's a straight puzzle. Now let's go and make a wavy line one puzzle, and we're just going to change the wave a little bit. Press OK, and there's the difference. Now, like in the last video, if you're going to cut this out, you would need to change them to a hairline. But these lines are straight. These lines have a little bit of curve to them. And I'm just going to add real quick, if you wanted, so I've already done these two, if you wanted to make individual pieces, I have yet to find how you could do this with this puzzle generator. And maybe if I find a way, I'll let you know. But it's all grouped together. Even if you unbreak the curve about a line, it just gives you the lines. So to create individual pieces, if you wanted to break them apart, can very easily be done with your Smart Fill tool. This puzzle is 12 by 12. We're going to set our nudge factor on 14. We're going to take our Smart Fill tool, but this time we're going to specify no fill in a hairline outline. Then just hit your space. I'm going to take the right arrow key and hit it one time. And that's how easy it is to make individual pieces. It's like it's color filling or smart filling, but now each one of these pieces are separate entities. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.